Canuck. Welcome to another Digging Canuck video. Today I find myself back on an incredible field. Really old land. Use dates back to the 1700s. There have been 2 reals found here, a bullhead shilling, as well as that filigree ball button that I found that dates back to the 1700s. Let's see what amazing history we can find today. First find on the Nokta Legend. This one came in at 34. Scooped it out with the shovel and got a very green coin or a button. Be nice if it was a button. What the heck is that? Wow, this is wafer thin. Wow, what the heck is that? I'm gonna say it's a, what's that, a button? I think it's a button. What is that? That is really well, for now, I'm gonna say that is it's a button, I'm gonna say. Very unusual. I don't know. I really don't know. So these are my settings today. I am in field mode. I am using G, ground for discrimination. I am an M2. I have my sensitivity up to 24, and that's about it. Real nice 3841 signal. Got something that's really green. It's not a coin, but I think it's gonna be a cool relic. Let's have a look. Out of this hole, flicked it up. I'm not sure what that is, but I was thinking maybe a watch winder. Oh, maybe a button. Oh, it's a watch winder. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at the patina on that. Wow. That is a great relic. Like I said earlier, there has been habitation here since the early 1700s, and we believe possibly military. This is an amazing relic. My gosh, right on. Gonna have to go show John. The legend is kicking you know what and taking names. Right on. Surface find. Wow. That is probably the smallest shard, but it's got blue on it. Very, very nice. I am thinking this is a bit of a smashed bullet, perhaps. There's a little ridge line on there. Don't think it's a musket ball. I'm gonna say that is, well, I don't know. I think it's a piece of a bullet. Well, John is at the top of the ridge. He'll be disappearing over the other side shortly. He found a lead bullet. We'll check up with him in a bit. So this one came in as 27 on the Richter scale. And I think I may have another button. Have a look. It was in here. Once again, scooped it out. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Shankalicious. You know what? This might be... Oh, I'm thinking this is nice. Look at that, Shankalicious. Oh my gosh. Wow. I do not see anything on there, but I'm gonna let that dry. Oh my gosh, that might just have a spun back on it. Wow, wow. It does have a spun back. Oh my gosh. Right on, right on. You know, I started going up the hill in behind me, and then I thought, you know what? I found that stuff here. I'm going to concentrate here. That is what I did, and I have a beautiful button. Wow, the sun just came up. Wow, got a really, really nice 33 signal. I think we're going to do it live. Well, that didn't take long. It's coming in as a 33-38 now. In the plug. All right. Let's see what this is. It was in the plug.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, that is it. I think that is pewter. Could be a piece of a utensil. I'm not really sure. But I am fairly certain that that is a piece of pewter. When your digging companion is a British gentleman, 11 o'clock, time for tea. We're going to go get some tea and then we'll be back. All right.
Perhaps you would like a marmalade sandwich. I always keep one for emergencies.
So do I. I keep mine in here.
Oh.
So tea time is over. Time to get back to detecting. Gotta say, when we got here it was like 11 degrees Celsius and the temperature has really been dropping. I just went online and it was like 7 and the wind is picking up, so yeah. Really, really nice 43, 44, and I flipped the plug over and I may have another button. Right on. Oh my gosh. 43, 44 in here. Flipped some stuff over and I am going to remove the glove. All right. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Nice and green. Oh my goodness, where's John? Oh, there it is.
I'm right here.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a button. Was that the imprint? Where'd it go?
It fell on down onto the, just in front of where you were.
Oh, there it is.
There you got it.
Oh my gosh. I thought the imprint was the button. Well, I don't know if this one has it. Oh, it does.
Shank.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Shankalicious. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a little bent, but that's okay.
Anything on the front at all, can you see?
Let's see. I think it might be like the other one. Oh,
Spray?
no, I'm not going to spray this one.
All right.
I'm not going to spray. I don't want to lose the green. You know what? This button, the shank, I don't think it's...
Square shank is very
It's a
old,
square shank.
Yeah, I've got quite a few of those.
Oh.
That's an oldie.
First find with the Simplex Ultra with the new 24 coil. I don't know, I see rust. Sounded good. Is that a buckle? Oh, it is a buckle. All right. All right, all right. Right on, right on. Good stuff. I'm happy with the buckle. Right on, right on. Good stuff. First impression, Simplex Ultra with the SX24 coil. Oh my goodness, it's light as a feather. Wow, that detector does not weigh anything. Wow, that is really, really important for me. I've moved away from that lower field and I've gone into this upper field. Got a nice signal and I think I see something green. Let's have a look. Got a very, very old spoon by the looks of it. Definitely not a plain spoon. I will clean it up. Nice find. Right on, right on. The old field did not disappoint. Some really, really nice old buttons. That was always, always a great thing. Until next time, remember to keep it real and get your Nokta on.